Hey y'all, in this game I wanted to say, so everybody don't believe I'm a hacker, I am a pay-to-win player. I can show you right now, I do not cheat in my game. If you check onto the thing, if you click pay-to-win, see, it says I have $0.27 left. That means I paid actual money for this game in the game purchases. I have bought all together that hero, I bought that hero, 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 and the rest I've earned automatically. I have bought I bought the castle skin. I've also bought these cute emojis. Okay, so I bought kitty cat emojis. I could have bought those emojis when I had the money, but those things are expensive as heck. Did I just sneeze cutely? I'm sorry. I'm gonna end it now.